Manifestation is about doing your best to attain your goals and facing the reality without any hesitations. It is not about expecting the outcome of your decision. Of course, many people wait for different things that may come after taking a step because they are afraid to fail. But, if you will just keep on assuming and not doing anything, you won't reach your goals in life. To get successful manifestation, the first thing that you should do is to empty your preconceptions. Do not formulate things in your mind as you can't do it or you don't have the power to achieve what you want. Preconceptions about manifestation are like not trying to fix the things that hinder you from making your vision into reality. Examine it well. If you keep preconceptions, you won't succeed at anything and stay in the same place where you are right now. If your life is a vehicle, you will always get stuck in traffic and it would take you too long to get to your destination. Preconceptions are sometimes good because they let you imagine the possibilities. But oftentimes, they are the negative elements that you must get rid of because if they pollute your mind, you won't be able to get successful manifestation. You can empty preconceptions about manifestation by starting to embrace the good things that it may give you. Always stay positive and think of your rewards once you have achieved your desires. This will keep your spirit up and you will be energized all the time. It is okay to have preconceptions about manifestation, but if you will not get rid of it, then, you won't get the concept of manifestation successfully. Another step that you may consider when getting rid of preconceptions is by knowing the essential things for consideration. Also, don't forget the things that you should be aware of because they can be a great help in the future. Once you have rid yourself of preconceptions about manifestation, you will never get lost on your path to development and you will reach your dreams in no time.